So we went to Georgia yesterday, picked that up. Got it fairly cheap, under $5 grand. It'll come in hella use. It's 24 by 8.5, and we are going to be moving to Washington for oh, see that girl? Say 69 E-type 2+2. It's in beautiful condition, all numbers matching. Only thing wrong with it is the paint on the roof, but I don't know if we're going to do a repaint or just keep it as a survivor and polish it up. I don't know, it's hard to decide. It's a beautiful car, and that's the 72 Wagoneer, the 360 4-wheel drive. That's gonna get restored, well, kind of restored. Oh man, I'm gonna do an oil change on it. Gotta take it out the other property because we're gonna be renting this place out for a year or so. Old Avalanche. Love this house. First house we ever bought together. Don't want to leave, but sometimes stuff's more important. I will show you what this goes to later. You can get your guesses in. I'm not going to show you the other part because it'll probably give it away. I'll just show you the back. Oh man, okay. Let me get this thing on some jack stands. Well, actually, I might just be able to lay under it. Bring it back. Okay, sorry for the shitty lighting. Oil change on an AMC 360. Right in the bottom of the oil pan towards the back. There is a bolt. It is a American 3/4. So we pulled that out, let it feel this. A little hint is put like a puppy pad or whatever under your oil drip pan if you don't want to stain your concrete, and it'll catch the overflow oil. I'm not really worried too much about this. I think it has a rear main seal issue. As you can see, all the oil back here. I don't know much about it yet. I cleaned the points, changed the spark plugs, and lubed up all the carburetor points and stuff. My aunt said it wouldn't run, so did all that and put some fresh gas in it, and it fired up. So yeah, it's good enough. We're just trying to drive this out to where it's going to be stored until I get time to work on it. So I'm going to put some 1540 I think I got. I was looking for 2050, but my auto parts store, the only 2050 they had, sorry about that, was I can't remember. It was super expensive basically. So I got some diesel 1540 that was not so super expensive. This has like an aluminum crush washer on it. So that's done. Where's the oil filter on this son of a bitch? Probably on the other side. Yeah. Yep. Oh, I see it. It's up front. So the oil filter actually looks easier to get to from the top. It is right here. Big ass white thing. Oh, I don't know how long it's been on there. I didn't put the camera in a good spot. It's in my way. Alright, Let's move the camera and see if I can get both of my dick beaters on this thing. What's gonna happen? I can't see what you can see. Oh, don't fall. You guys stay there. Quit moving around. Oh, you fuckers. Oh, it wants to move. It does. Okay, I got the filter off. I just tapped on it a little bit with a chisel, and then I went underneath, and I could actually get leverage underneath. Slap a new one on. Oil filters, you always take a little dab of oil, put it around this ring. For one, it helps you tighten it down. For two, it helps you get it off so it doesn't dry out right there and like melt to the fucking shit. Never want melted shit, you know what I'm saying? And your fucking dick beaters are, you know, all in a jam and kind of like where I was. So as soon as it hits, you go like half a turn. Maybe 2/3. Remember, you're the fucking monkey that has to take this shit off. So you don't want to fuck yourself. Alright, put that plug back to the bottom, we'll load it up with oil and we'll do a cold start. The oil fill on this is kind of funny. The first time I ever looked for it, I was like, what the fuck? It's actually right on top. Pull your breather hose off, and this just slides right off. Send it in these engineering. And I got this 1540 Rotella. Hit the hole. Oh, missed the hole. Happens sometimes. That's alright, it's got a little rust around it, so we'll just smear it in. It's not gonna hurt this car. It runs surprisingly good. It's got that 1980s MSD ignition. It still has points. But it's got a performance coil, so that's got to be like 20 horsepower. Maybe more. This takes 5 quarts, 5.5 quarts, something like that. I think there's 4 quarts in a gallon. Where's your 5 quarts in a gallon? Fuck. Now I gotta think. It's too early for that shit. Too much shit to do today. Gonna go out the property and install a camera system and an alarm system. That should be fun. Cameras are pretty cool if they're like motion light cameras. So if the motion light gets kicked, it kicks the camera on, and then it sends you a message with the video, and you can actually talk to the people or set the alarm off. So if it's an animal or something, it won't set the alarm off. Where did the lid go? Man, it's fucking hot down here. Love it. Love it. Look yellow at this oil. Oh man, look at that. That is fucking nasty. I ain't never seen a dipstick that looked like that. It smells like gasoline really bad. So I was probably getting I don't know, something was stuck in the carburetor, just dumping gas into it while it was sitting.
Hopefully it's just not leaking out the bottom. What do you think? Should probably check.
Be a good idea.
Nah. Good.
Hit the hole. Oh, yeah, she likes that. She likes that clean, thick fluid all up in her.
Yeah, it's about 5.5 ish. Sounds like it's gonna storm, so it should be a fun ride. I don't think the wipers work. Well, they work. They just have shitty blades. Really shitty.
Where are we at? Yeah, we're still like right at the ad mark. So we'll listen to it. Damn it, I missed the hole. Don't you hate when that happens?
I should probably take into consideration that we're kind of on a hill here and the motor leans backwards. But that would make too much sense. Doesn't matter, it'll probably leak out anyways. Oh yeah, way over full. Perfect. Get some oil pressure now. These things are like notorious for not having oil pressure.
Wipe up a little bit of this lube. I have like cases of these puppy pads. Got them at Sam's Club because I had a little dog that was pissing and shitting all over the place. I started using them because my truck had a bad oil leak. So I put them down in the driveway. I don't like laying in oil. And I seem to be working on these pieces of crap a lot. But I realize they come in handy. Because you can wipe shit off and it stops it from getting your hands. So your hands aren't slippery. I think you go that way. Put you in there. Had to buy a new battery, so let's go grab that. And then we'll find the keys and do a cold start. Okay, you got the battery in. And let's see what happens. Are you ready? It's a cold start after shit, I don't know how long. Bought the cheapest battery I could because it's going to be sitting for a couple years. Man, it sucks when you got to plan in years instead of like, you know, weeks. It sucks, man. Getting older sucks. Actually running really good. Not missing a beat. I think the alternator's shot. Jeez. Oh, snap. Snazzy. See, I got an amp light on. The keys just fell out of the ignition on the floor.
shut her down for now, and then we'll take a joyride out to the property after I get cleaned up and shit. Alright, we're driving this out to the property, and of course we have a thunderstorm coming in. The wipers suck. I don't think I have tail lights. The amp light is on. If I go over 50, I got a crazy vibration. Man, this sucks. It's a good time. This might be my last video ever. The good thing is I won't get a speeding ticket. Oh man. Old Waggy's running good though, except for the alternator light. I don't know why that's on. Put a new battery in it. Anything that takes power starts flashing. Oil light comes on if you go too slow. Gotta have the window down because the fucking fumes are so bad. Oh man, getting some fog. I'm scared to turn on the blower. I don't know what'll happen. I'll probably go back to the fucking future. Damn, I can't see shit. These wipers suck. I stopped and switched the left to the, or the right to the left and left to right. Oh, that's the inside. There we go. Alright, I'll let you know when I get there. I need to concentrate. Well, we made it. We're still alive. Lightning just hit like those trees right there. So I'm kind of scared to get out. There she sits at her new home. Yay. One job done, 400,000 to go.